At PetFirst, we want to make sure pet parents understand the basics of how pet insurance works. We know your pet is a part of your family, but insurance for your dog or cat works very differently than your family's personal health insurance. Pet insurance is a financial safety net for you when your pet gets sick or injured and reimburses veterinary care costs, which continue to increase. Unlike human insurance, you can take your pet to any licensed vet office or emergency clinic because there are no networks with pet insurance. You can focus on making sure your pet receives the care they need and deserve. Since pet insurance is a reimbursement structure, you will need to pay your veterinarian for treating your pet. Don't worry, PetFirst reimburses you quickly once we receive your claim form, invoice, and medical records from the visit. After you file your claim, you can log into your My Pets account and keep tabs on the information you sent and the status of your claim. In no time at all, you'll receive your reimbursement and can go back to having fun with your pet. PetFirst. Love is simple. So is PetFirst.
You have options when insuring your pet, which is why PetFirst makes purchasing a plan easy and offers the most comprehensive coverage for dogs and cats with the fewest exclusions. Enrolling is easy, there's no sign-up fee, and PetFirst is the only provider that doesn't require a vet exam, a comprehensive medical history, or have routine wellness care and vaccination requirements in order to obtain and maintain coverage. Plus, PetFirst has the shortest waiting periods in the industry. Accident coverage begins at midnight, and illness coverage begins 14 days later. There is no risk when buying a policy because PetFirst offers a 14-day money-back guarantee. There is no network of providers with PetFirst. You get to use any licensed veterinarian, specialist, or emergency clinic. Our plan offers robust annual benefit options, with no per-incident or lifetime limits on reimbursement and no schedule of benefits, allowing you to focus on your pet's care, not the cost. With a PetFirst pet insurance plan, you can expect reimbursement for the following: accidents, illnesses, hereditary conditions, congenital conditions, chronic conditions, hospitalizations, surgeries, diagnostic tests, exam fees, x-rays, ultrasounds, scans, emergency care, medications, holistic care. Plus, PetFirst offers coverage for issues other pet insurance companies do not, such as bilateral conditions, periodontal disease, orthopedic conditions, dermatological conditions, injuries caused by housemates, vaccinatable diseases, aging ear and eye conditions, more than one foreign body ingestion per year, and experimental or investigational treatments. And those are just the highlights. We want to encourage you to do your research. Some insurance companies lure pet parents in with unlimited annual benefits and low premiums, but those plans can have many holes in coverage. That is why we publish the terms and conditions of our policy on our website. That way you know exactly the coverage we offer. We know you want to find the pet insurance plan that offers you the best coverage and most reimbursement to make veterinary care for your pet affordable. Our reimbursement formula provides the most money back compared to other insurance companies. At PetFirst, we subtract your deductible before applying your reimbursement amount, providing more money back. We know many households have more than one pet, which is why PetFirst offers a multiple policy discount. You get a 5% discount on your second policy and a 10% discount for your third and all subsequent policies. We also offer a healthy pet discount for pets that do not have an accident or illness claim the previous policy year. PetFirst also has discounts for purchasing a policy online, for animal welfare and veterinary professionals, for employee or member groups, and for active or retired military families. And PetFirst is one of the only pet insurance companies that has a routine care rider you can add to your plan to help with the cost of wellness care. Remember, it is important to purchase a plan for your pet as early as possible because no pet insurance company covers pre-existing conditions. You need a plan to be in place before your pet has signs, symptoms, or is diagnosed with an illness or has an accident. We know your pet's health is important to you, and PetFirst is here to help make veterinary care more affordable. PetFirst. Visit us at www.petfirst.com. You may have heard from other pet parents that a savings account is better than paying for pet insurance. Here at PetFirst, we want to prove to you that pet insurance is actually better than a savings account. Let's walk through a year's comparison between your cost with a pet insurance plan and your friend's cost with a savings account. Your friend has decided to put the same amount of money you spend on your monthly premium into a bank account. She's putting $33 each month in a savings account for her dog's vet costs. Fast forward 6 months. Your friend is really bragging. She saved $198 and you have spent $198. Uh-oh. During the 6th month, your dog and your friend's dog eat something they shouldn't and become ill. You both take your pets to the vet where they are diagnosed with gastritis. Each of you receive a bill totaling $463.60 for diagnostics and treatment at the vet. Your friend has to spend the entire $463.60 out of pocket. While you paid the vet for the entire bill, you received $327.24 in reimbursement from your pet insurance for your approved claim. So you only spent $169.36 in total for your dog's treatment. Ending the month, you've spent $599.96 on pet insurance premiums and veterinary care, while your friend has spent $463.60. She still seems pleased with her decision. And you are too, knowing you receive money back from your vet expenses. Your pets are healthy the next 5 months, and no one requires a trip to the veterinarian. You keep paying your monthly premium, and your friend keeps putting $33 in a savings account. Uh-oh. In the 12th month, both of your pets get into trouble again. They accidentally swallow pain medicine they found on the floor and have to go to the vet. This time, the bill is a bit more expensive at $1,672.72. Lucky for you, you don't have to worry because you have pet insurance and will be reimbursed $1,415.45. Unfortunately, your friend will be responsible for the entire vet bill of $1,672.72. Let's recap. Your friend managed to put $396 into her savings account for the entire year, but her dog ended up with $2,136.32 in vet expenses. So she had to find $1,740.32 from another account to pay for her pup's health care. You made the decision to spend $396 on pet insurance premium for your dog for the year. Even though your pup racked up $2,136.32 in vet care expenses, your pet insurance company reimbursed you $1,742.69, which means you only paid $789.63 for your pup's health care. You ended up saving $950.69 on your dog's veterinary costs compared to your friend. So, the next time you have a conversation with your friends about pet insurance, remind them pet insurance is a financial safety net for the unknown. It takes time to save up money, and you'll never know when your pet may need access to that money for a veterinary expense. PetFirst. Love is simple. So is PetFirst.
With PetFirst, we make filing a claim easy and convenient. Before you leave the vet office or emergency clinic, ask for a copy of the invoice, along with any chart notes from the visit. These can also be referred to as SOAP notes or medical records. If this is your first claim, we will need the last 12 months of chart notes from all of the veterinary facilities or emergency clinics where your pet has been treated. If your pet was adopted from a shelter or rescue group, we will need your adoption paperwork and the medical records while they were in the shelter's care for your first claim. With PetFirst, you have the choice to submit your claim through your My Pets account portal by clicking the Submit Claim tab and uploading your files. Or you can send your invoice and chart notes to PetFirst by email, fax, or mail. Just be sure to include a claim form with your policy information, or be sure to note your policy number and pet name on your invoice and records. We know it can be stressful when dealing with a sick or injured pet, which is why we allow claims to be submitted within 90 days of the vet visit. But keep in mind, the sooner we receive all of your information, the sooner you can receive your reimbursement. Sending complete claim information is important. When our veterinary claims adjusters don't receive all the medical notes or invoices for the claim, it can increase the time it takes for you to receive your reimbursement. Once we have all the documentation, our team is able to process the claim quickly and get your reimbursement to you fast, making everyone happy. PetFirst. Love is simple. So is PetFirst. www.petfirst.com.
At PetFirst, we know you love your pets and they are part of your family. But insurance for dogs and cats is more like your car insurance than your medical insurance. Let's walk through the similarities. When you buy car insurance, you must provide the make, model, and year of your car, as well as where you live. This allows the insurance company to assess the risk of expenses should you get into an accident. Same with pet insurance. You provide the species, breed, and age of your pet, as well as where you live. The premium you pay correlates to your pet's risk of expenses. With car insurance, a brand new Lamborghini is going to be more expensive to insure than a 1982 Buick. With pet insurance, coverage for an 8-year-old boxer is going to be more expensive than a 1-year-old mixed breed dog. Next, your car insurance helps you pay for damage to your car. However, there is still general maintenance you pay for out of pocket. Your car insurance doesn't pay for gasoline in your car, new windshield wipers, oil changes, or new tires. You know these are expected expenses when you own a car. Pet insurance is very similar. It helps reimburse veterinary costs for accidents and illnesses like ear infections, broken bones, and cancer. However, expected expenses like grooming, vaccinations, and flea and tick preventative are all expected costs of pet ownership, and generally, pet insurance doesn't cover routine wellness expenses. Another similarity is pre-existing issues or conditions. Say you don't have car insurance, but accidentally get into a fender bender one morning. If you purchase car insurance following your accident, they will not cover damage from the previous fender bender. Pet insurance is the same. It will not cover any pre-existing conditions your pet has. For example, if your pet is limping, so you go online to purchase pet insurance, the injury would be pre-existing and not eligible for coverage. So be sure to purchase insurance as early as possible in your pet's life. Think about it this way. When you buy a car, you purchase car insurance. When you add a furry friend to your family, be sure you buy pet insurance to provide a financial safety net should you need it. PetFirst. Love is simple. So is PetFirst.
We had Fritz for a year and 3 months, and he started limping. We were shocked when we found out how expensive the knee surgery was. PetFirst allowed us to just worry about Fritz and his recovery and not worry about finances.
So PetFirst is pretty simple. You buy a policy, your pet gets sick or hurt, take them to the vet like you normally would, submit claims to us, and then we reimburse you.
As a pet parent, you know that there is unexpected risk, that your pet is likely in their lifetime going to become sick and injured. By having pet insurance, you alleviate that financial burden so that you have the peace of mind of knowing whatever my pet needs, I can provide that for them.
I love dogs. I have 3 dogs myself. My favorite part about my job is that I get to speak with a lot of new pet owners or people that are adding to their fleet of animals in their house. Any reason to talk about new additions to the family definitely gets me excited, which is what I get to do on a daily basis here at PetFirst. What makes PetFirst different than other providers is the fact that you don't have to wait through a long queue line. You basically reach someone almost instantly when you do call it.
With our adoptions at the Kentucky Humane Society, all 6,000 of them a year, they come with PetFirst pet insurance after that time of adoption for 30 days. And with that, they are covered for different things if something happened or something came up. You know, you think about insurance for yourself and your kids, but it is really important for animals because they are mischievous and they like to have a good time, and sometimes they get into things they shouldn't. PetFirst really just goes a long way for not only us, our organization, our community, but each individual pet owner.
It was an easy decision to go ahead and have surgery for Fritz's knee because we knew we had PetFirst insurance to rely on. Today he can jump and run and do everything he could before, and it's like he was, never had a problem. And we're so thankful for that.
Bottom line, we're providing peace of mind to our customers. What we're striving for is a wow customer experience. Each and every one of us here at PetFirst, we're focused on not just meeting expectations, but truly wowing that customer, making sure that they say, gosh, PetFirst really does care about me as an individual and my pets.
We love our pets. Obviously, we know that policyholders love their pets as well. Having to deal with a sick pet myself, I know how important peace of mind can be. So we'll do anything we can to help make the situation easier for you. If you're a PetFirst customer, I just want to let you know that you're not in it alone. We'll be right behind you in case something happens. We have a very important job at PetFirst of giving pet owners a peace of mind that in case their pets get sick or hurt, that they know that they can provide that assistance for their pet and not have to deal with the financial burden of it themselves.
For me, I love the excitement of being a part of an organization and leading an organization that is growing so fast in such a dynamic and evolving industry.
I was attracted to PetFirst because I had a background in insurance, and I saw this as an opportunity to marry that with my love for animals as well. PetFirst has helped me grow professionally by affording me a lot of opportunities. I've gone to licensing courses. I've been able to study a lot with the more senior managers here at PetFirst, and I feel that everyone's been really, really invested in my growth.
Well, it's definitely a huge plus that you get to bring your own pets to work, and even the benefit of working from home as well definitely helps. But it was definitely the atmosphere that helped solidify me stay here.
The best part about PetFirst are definitely the people. Whether it's our policyholders or our employees, we're all very much a family. Working at PetFirst, you have the opportunity to collaborate with everyone within the company. You can always ask a question to anybody. You can make sure that your ideas are heard.
Well, personally, I love dogs. I have 3 dogs myself, so any reason to talk about new additions to the family definitely gets me excited, which is what I get to do on a daily basis here at PetFirst. The number one reason that I personally stay at PetFirst is that PetFirst gives you a huge opportunity for personal and professional growth.
The way we treat our pets today is so different than 5 years ago, 10 years ago, and I'm excited about the future for veterinary medicine, for pet health insurance, for how we can better serve pet parents. I think there's a tremendous amount of possibility ahead.
PetFirst definitely invest in their employees and their culture. We also celebrate birthdays. We have fun parties. We go out together. We have a great time and really make sure that everyone feels like they're a part of the PetFirst family.
What we're looking for somebody that wants to join the PetFirst team, we're looking for somebody who has a passion for doing the right thing. Of course, it's also helpful if you love pets, but even more important than that, it's loving doing the right thing for our customers and caring about our customers and their pets. We know your pets are cute and super lovable. We know that pets are like family. We also know that sometimes they get into trouble and get injured or sick.
For those times, make sure your pet is protected with insurance from PetFirst. Visit petfirst.com and get your free quote.